Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Bodybuilder Gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the dedication, discipline, and sheer hard work that goes into sculpting a powerful physique, ensuring your present not only impresses but also genuinely supports their fitness journey and lifestyle, making it a memorable token of encouragement for their relentless pursuit of strength and health. Number 5. Etekcity Smart Scale. Meet the Etekcity Smart Scale, your ultimate partner for tracking your health journey. It's more than just a scale, it's a comprehensive health monitoring device. Get precise readings for body weight, BMI, body fat, and muscle mass. Our advanced technology ensures accuracy you can rely on for informed decisions about your well-being. Easily sync your data with our user-friendly app via Bluetooth. Track your progress over time and visualize your health trends effortlessly. Crafted with tempered glass and a clear LED display, it adds a modern touch to any bathroom. Its robust construction is built to last. Take advantage of its eligibility for FSA and HSA. Invest in your health with a device that fits your wellness budget. Gain deeper insights into your body composition. Understand how your lifestyle changes impact your health metrics and make adjustments as needed. What we like. This smart scale offers comprehensive body composition analysis, tracking not just weight but also body fat, muscle mass, and more. It syncs seamlessly with apps to monitor your progress over time. If you're looking for a detailed overview of your health metrics beyond just weight, this is the scale for you. What people say. The scale is very accurate and easy to set up. The Bluetooth connection with the VE Sync app works perfectly, and it tracks my weight consistently. The design looks modern, and the display is clear and bright. The quality of the scale is incredible, durable, good size, sleek in design, and quick to connect when the app is open to get your measurements. Even when you are not connected, phone is far away, it still remembers your weigh-ins and asks you once you do connect if you want to save them to your progress. Setup was quick and straightforward, and pairing it with the app only took a few minutes. One of the best features is how well it integrates with Apple Health. After weighing in, the data syncs automatically and shows up in the Health app without any extra steps. This makes it easy to track progress over time without having to manually log anything. Number 4. RENPHO Smart Body Measuring Tape. Introducing the RENPHO Smart Body Measuring Tape, your ultimate companion for tracking fitness journeys. Seamlessly connect it to the RENPHO Health app to visualize your progress over time. Say goodbye to squinting at tiny lines. This device features a large LCD screen for easy reading and instantly saves your measurements to the app, ensuring accuracy and convenience. Whether you're building muscle, losing weight, or tracking changes during pregnancy, it simplifies monitoring your body's transformation trends. Our innovative Easy Lock hook allows you to take your own body circumference measurements quickly and independently. No more asking for help. Lightweight and compact, this tape measure fits easily into your gym bag. Track your body changes wherever your fitness journey takes you. Perfect for families or households, it supports multiple user profiles. Everyone can easily track their individual progress with the same device. What we like. This smart tape measure provides an easy and accurate way to track your body measurements, even for hard-to-reach areas. Its app integration allows for progress graphing, making it ideal for those focused on weight loss or muscle gain. If you want to easily monitor changes in your waist, hips, and other areas without assistance, this is a great choice. What people say. It's sleek, accurate, and connects right to the RENPHO app so I can track every change in real time. The tape measure snaps into the bottom and you can use one hand to tighten it up and get a precise measurement. The app is the biggest advantage as you don't need to jot down the figures. Plotting your progress is made even easier. Number 3. AQUAFIT 1-gallon water bottle with time marker. Meet your hydration goals with this innovative water bottle. Its time markers help you track your intake throughout the day, ensuring you stay on track with your health and fitness objectives. Enjoy the convenience of a large 1-gallon capacity. This durable and portable bottle is perfect for your active lifestyle, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Customize your drinking experience with 2 interchangeable, leak-proof lids. Choose between a lid with a straw or one without, adapting to your preference and activity. This bottle comes with a handy strap for easy carrying. It also includes extra lids, making it the ultimate motivational hydration companion. Crafted from 100% BPA-free plastic, this reusable bottle is safe for everyday use. It features a wide mouth for easy filling and a comfortable handle for a secure grip. What we like. This large water bottle ensures you stay hydrated throughout the day with its generous 1-gallon capacity and convenient time markers. It comes with 2 interchangeable lids, one with a straw, catering to different drinking preferences. If you struggle to drink enough water and need a constant reminder and ample supply, this bottle is perfect for you. What people say. The time markers have been a huge help on my journey to drinking a gallon of water a day. Seeing my progress throughout the day keeps me motivated, and I'm definitely getting there. Having both the straw lid and the chug lid is a big bonus since I can switch depending on what I'm doing. It's BPA-free, easy to clean, and the size is perfect for staying hydrated without constant refills. This water bottle is awesome for the gym. The 1-gallon size with the time markers keeps me on track all day, and having both a straw and chug lid is super handy. It's sturdy, easy to carry, and makes drinking enough water way less of a chore during workouts. Totally recommend. I like the size and the measurements on the side of this water bottle. The 2 lids are a nice option as well. Number 2. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Experience a deluxe home spa right in your shower. Our aromatherapy melts dissolve to release potent essential oils for deep relaxation. Immerse yourself in a refreshing citrus blend scent. These shower tablets provide a long-lasting aromatherapy experience. Wash away the day's stress and fatigue with these relaxing shower bombs. They are perfect for unwinding after a long day. Convenient and compact, they are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience wherever you go. Surprise your loved ones with the ultimate gift of relaxation. They make the perfect spa gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, or any occasion. Indulge in self-care the natural way. These are essential for anyone seeking stress relief and rejuvenation. What we like. Transform your daily shower into a relaxing spa experience with these aromatherapy shower steamers. They release potent essential oils to help melt away stress and fatigue. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to unwind and de-stress after a long day, these are an excellent addition to your self-care routine. What people say. This is a great gift for any bodybuilder. The quality of the product is excellent, and it's a unique item that any fitness enthusiast would appreciate. It's a perfect addition to a home gym or a great conversation starter. Number 1. Cosmetasa Arnica and Lavender Massage Oil with Roller. Experience targeted relief for sore muscles. Our unique formula helps relax tension and ease discomfort. Crafted with all-natural ingredients like Arnica extract, lavender, and chamomile. It's designed for effective muscle relaxing and joint comfort. The integrated roller ball provides a soothing massage experience. It helps the oil penetrate deeply for maximum benefit. Feel good about your choice. This massage oil is cruelty-free and gentle on your skin. Perfect for post-workout recovery or everyday aches. Let it help you unwind and find relief. Enjoy the calming scents of lavender and chamomile. These natural botanicals enhance the relaxing massage experience. What we like. This massage oil is formulated with natural ingredients like Arnica extract, lavender, and chamomile to soothe sore muscles and joint discomfort. The included rollerball applicator allows for targeted massage and easy application. If you experience muscle aches and pains from workouts or daily activities and prefer a natural, targeted approach to relief, this oil is a fantastic option. What people say. Applied to damp and warm skin, after a shower, it soothes the area and relaxes your muscles. It saves my hands so much hassle and joint pain when rubbing his achy muscles. The smell and essential oils put us straight to sleep as well. Not to mention the way it seems to heat up while using. The rollerball was the best thing the oil had to offer, to be honest. Worked like a charm for a good relaxing massage on my boyfriend, and the oil wasn't sticky either. It did moisturize, so I'll give it that too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.